Today's video we are dyeing my hair using this. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I am dyeing my hair. I am going to be using this. So this is by Bleach London and it is a semi-permanent hair dye in the shade Fade to Grey. Normally when I dye my hair I normally go for like silver colours, so it's there's not a very big shocking difference with my hair. I'm hoping there's going to be some definite contrast to when I put this in my hair, with it being grey, it's darker than silver. So I'm going to follow the instructions to the T. I have got two of these. I've opened one just to have a nosy inside. Normally I do need two in my hair. So inside we get instructions, we get the developer, we get the colorant which we put inside the developer, we get the conditioner for afterwards, and we get a pair of gloves. So first of all it does say to go in the bathroom, wash your hair, towel dry it, and then apply. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Right, so washed towel dried hair, here we go. So I am gonna start mixing this up. This is gonna go in here. I've just popped a hole in and we're squeezing it in. So that's all of that in there. We're going to pop that on and then we're going to mix it. Right, so that is all mixed together. I'm just going to quickly double read the instructions because, as I say, I want to do everything that is on here. So yes, it does say wash your hair and towel dry before you pop it on. Done. Make sure your clothing is covered and you're wearing gloves provided. This is my dye t-shirt. I'm not bothered if I get dye on it, so that's fine. And yes, I am going to be wearing the gloves. In the nozzle, part your hair from the centre. Apply the mixture directly from the bottle to your hair near the roots. Work the mixture through down the length of your hair so it goes from the roots to the ends, and massage thoroughly and make sure your hair is covered evenly. Make sure to part your hair and flip the already covered hair over and apply the mixture as before, and repeat until the whole head is covered. Leave the mixture on for 20 minutes and then wash out immediately. Rinse the hair until the water runs clear, then shampoo your hair to remove the colourant. Follow up with the hair mask that it gives you on towel dried hair. Leave that on for 5 to 10 minutes and yeah, style your hair as normal. So I'm going to go in my bathroom and pop this on because I don't trust myself to do it in here because I will get this everywhere. I know what I'm like. Right, sorry about the lighting, it is not the best, but I have got an old clip that I use for when I dye my hair, so I can section my hair and keep bits out of my way. But yeah, while I am popping this in my hair, I will do a little voiceover just giving you some information on it, so let's get to it. Fade to Grey Charcoal Grey Toner. Nourishing semi-permanent toner to add grey tones to pre-lightened hair. It's never too late to go grey. This semi-permanent dye will last between 3 and 20 washes depending on your hair porosity. The colour achieved and the length of its duration can be influenced by many factors, including condition of the hair, previous treatments, hair colour, porosity, length and fineness of the hair. The final effect will depend on your hair colour. Best results will be seen on already bleached or lightened blonde hair. You may need more than one pack if your hair is long, thick or hasn't been dyed before. It's always a good idea to have another pack to hand just in case one runs out before you've finished colouring. It also says here you can follow up with the Bleach London Silver Shampoo every other wash to maintain your ashy tone. So that is my hair thoroughly saturated. I am just going to pop it up in my clip and then rinse it out in 20 minutes. So that is the 20 minutes up, so I'm about to rinse this out of my hair. It's looking quite promising, guys. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm going to rinse it. I'm going to put the mask on, the conditioner mask. It's called the Reincarnation Mask, and I've done a review on that. So if you wanted me to go into more detail about that mask, click that video there and yeah, go and watch it. But yeah, let's get rinsing. Right, so I've got out the shower, I've put a fresh face on, I've got half of my uniform on for work. It's time to style the hair and I'm gonna have to hurry because I need to leave in like 20 minutes. So let's go. Oh, well, there's a definite difference. I think we can all agree to that. Wow. Yeah, let's get styling. I'm going to use a heat protectant. Using this is a Tresemme heat protectant, and I'm going to be using the Revlon One Step Styler to get styling because this is super quick, so I'll fast forward this for you. Wow, if only we actually could style our hair this quick in real life. Right guys, wow. So this is definitely grey. I was a bit worried when I first started drying it because I thought, oh my god, has it literally just dyed my hair brown from certain angles? Yeah, it does look like that. But when the light catches it and you see the actual tone of it, you can see that, yeah, it is grey. And I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. It's given me a little taste of my darker hair, which I have been really missing lately. Yeah. Oh, I'm so happy with the result. It's nice and even throughout. The shine, look at the shine. The condition of it feels so good. It's been a lovely little treatment for my hair as well as dyeing it. But yeah, wow, I can't get over that shine. My ends feel absolutely amazing. And yeah, as I said, I've just literally quickly styled it and I think it's come out really good. But yeah, very even indeed, and I absolutely freaking love it. What do you think? Have you used this before? What were your results like? But yeah, comment down below and let me know and we'll have a little chat. But yeah, done, dusted, massive thumbs up. I will be buying this again. I am in love with it. So yeah, totally recommend. Go and get yourself some. It's linked down below. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.